Hello! In this video, I'm going to show you how I made this impossible card. These impossible cards are very popular right now, and my son is graduating from high school, so I made him this graduation card. So this is a 5x7 card, and I'll show you that, but I'm going to start by showing you a 4 1/4 by 5.5 card. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to cut out a 4 1/4 by 5.5 piece of cardstock. You're going to score it in the middle. So this is the trick to the impossible cards. Whatever size card you have, you're going to score it in the middle. So this is scored at 2 1/8 here. And then on the top piece of the card, you're going to make a cut line to the score line in the middle of this card as well. So this is going to be at 2 3/4 because this is 5.5 inches long. So 2 3/4. And then on the other side, you're going to make cuts at 1 inch from each side so that you have this. And then to create the impossible card, you're just going to take one end and you're going to flip it back, and that's it. It's a lot simpler than I thought it would be. So that's going to be the base of your card. And then if you want to, you can add embellishments. You can add extra pieces of cardstock or designer series paper. So you can trim those out, you know, a little bit smaller than whatever size you're creating. And I just made these like 1/8 smaller because I just wanted to have more layers. And then you're going to want some kind of stabilizing piece of cardstock that's just gonna kind of hold everything in place to keep it the right size. But you're gonna wanna make sure that this folds down too if you're sending it in the mail. So that can be any size that you want as well, but a good size would be about 1 inch wide and 5.5 inches long. And then you can write a message on here or stamp flowers on here, or put designer paper on here, whatever you want to do. So that will be the stabilizer part of the card. And then you can create a little background for this panel of the card, and you can stamp your message here or flowers, or like I did, I put the 2018 here. And then if you want, in the back of the card, you can add another stabilizer to the back of the card as well. So I've been seeing lots of different designs of cards and uses and using different stamp sets, and it's really fun to see all the creations. But I just wanted to make this quick video to show you the basics of making an impossible card. So I'm going to put that one aside and bring this one back in, and again show you the measurements that I did for a 5x7 card. So I have a little stabilizer there that's 1 inch by 7 inches, and I have scored this card in the middle. So this is 5 inches long, so I scored it 2 1/2 all the way down. And then on the one side, I've cut in half. So if this is 7 inches long, I cut at 3 1/2 right here, down to the middle. And then I went ahead and made these edges 1 1/2. So this is 1 1/2 from each side. And then you just flip the card like I did with the other one, and then you have this really fun impossible card. So get creating and post a picture of your creative card on my Facebook page or Facebook group, and I will send you a free little gift. So get creating and enjoy making it. They're really fun to make. Thanks for watching.